Valoust exchanges close $mine 4 in every practical sense large way. Velo basically has a medium-term obstruction at $mine 5 in an especially huge manner. Velo's MA10 for the most part shows a kind of descending pattern in a sort of huge manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they essentially thought. 18 Walk 2024. In this video we will sort of walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for the following week, and for the most part attempt to answer these regularly explicitly clarified some pressing issues facts. What in a real sense is momentary cost expectation for Velo, basically is Velo and especially wise speculation, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Velo support and opposition levels and so on in a very huge manner. However, prior to jumping commonly profound into the Velo specialized investigation, certainly let us generally discuss the ongoing economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the, in every practical sense, last 24 hours, there especially was a ruin of 184%, bringing the really whole digital currency market to $2 548 785 447 775, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The especially all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at $138 539 819 380 in an in every practical sense significant way. Bitcoin shares 52.13% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33% in a kind of huge manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 617.35 level after a decay of 92%. So market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there generally was a defeat of 184%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $2 548 785 447 775 in a fundamentally enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value diminishing of 3% coming to $3.5 and 14 during the past 24 hours, showing how which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $67 617.35 level after a decay of 92%. So market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a defeat of 184%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $2 548 785 447 775, which in every practical sense is very huge. While distributing this blog, Solana exchanged at $203.10. Following a value change of 286% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. BNB, the very local coin of BNB truly, is somewhere near 376, and as of now exchanging at Velo 555.36, exhibiting how Velo's MA10 truly shows a descending pattern, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Furthermore, XRP came to $0.61 subsequent to seeing a decay of 179% in esteem, exhibiting that 18 Walk 2024. In this video we will basically walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now and sort of attempt to respond to these habitually gotten clarification on some pressing issues facts, what for the most part is especially momentary cost expectation for Velo. Really is Velo a buy and large wise venture? These occasions in a real sense show that the market most certainly is going in a really descending heading for truly transient in an unobtrusive manner. Right now, a genuinely broad kind of bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, so Velo support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they fundamentally thought. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized pointers used to sort of distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, exhibiting that Velo especially has a medium-term opposition at $5 in a huge manner. Support in every practical sense is a level at which purchases basically become certainly more essentially dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how Velo's MA10 fundamentally shows an in every practical sense descending pattern truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Similarly, opposition for the most part is a level at which merchants certainly become move in every practical sense, dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they truly thought. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo generally is exchanging at $4 with an exchanging volume of $1 543 743,000, showing how Velo backing and obstruction really are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish extremely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, exhibiting that Velo in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $5, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. However, Velo in every practical sense has a value decline of 582% in the truly last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 1171% over the course of the week, with an all-out market capitalization of $153 beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Velo value investigation. Velo cost examination for 18 walk 2024 inside a day-to-day time span generally made sense of underneath, exhibiting how Bitcoin shares 50 to 13% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16-33%, which really is genuinely critical. We utilized truly relative strength indexes, moving fundamentally normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving. Pretty normal, smart and dramatic moving, essentially normal and made to generally dissect the future development of the Velo, which basically shows that Velo fall 1171% in 7 days in a genuinely huge manner. The very relative strength record RSI demonstrates that the Velo coin especially is in oversold stage, as RSI really is at 30, which essentially shows that Veloust exchanges closed onto 4, which in a real sense is very critical. The Veloust moving pretty normal union and uniqueness MACD pointer certainly is showing a present moment generally sell commonly signal, as the MACD line really is moving beneath genuinely signal line, which most certainly implies by and large bears sort of a ruling on the lookout, so which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $60.70 $617.35 level after a decay of 92%. So market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to total to 548, 785, 447 to 775 in an unpretentious manner. While Velo's Williams %R marker sort of is at 95.9932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition, an especially transient pattern sort of inversion in every way that really matters is conceivable. Certainly further appearance however Velo truly has a value decline of 582% in the fundamentally last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 1171% over the course of the week, with an all-out market capitalization of $105,186,353 which basically is very critical. Bulls can move the market in vertical heading, showing that the extremely all-out exchanging volume especially remains at $138,539.1980 in a kind of significant manner. Velo basically is moving in sort of descending course, as really bears effectively generally take the coin beneath prompt help level of $4, which basically is very huge. Presently, Velo ought to especially track down a help at $4, or more than likely the vendors could then focus on the pivotal help level set at $5, showing how Veloust exchanges close $4 in an unpretentious way. Velo certainly is presently in